Hey y'all, this is Kinah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the August 2021 Simply Gilded subscription box titled Luminous Library. If you are interested in seeing what's in here, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so we have the kit card and it lists all of the items in this month's box. Again, it is titled Luminous Library and this is August 2021. So I'm going to unbox this box in the order of how it is listed on the kit card. The first item up is the foiled journaling card. It has this tan background with the florals and the foiled books. Super cute. The next item up, we have our washi. We got our washi, y'all. So let's go ahead and open this up. For the sake of time, I have already unwrapped and swatched the washi. So let's set this to the side. And if you are new here, I do subscribe with the extra washi add-on. So I'm gonna have a bit more washi than you would normally see in the kit. So here is the kit washi. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rolls of washi this month. And then we have our 5mm add-on. We got 4 rolls of that. So I have already unrolled and swatched them for you. We got the 15mm, this cream with the gold polka dots and bow. We have the 10mm. Then we have this 10mm blue background with the floral vines and the gold foil. And then we have this 15mm bookshelf. We have another 15mm pink background with the same florals from the journaling card and those gold bows in there. We have a perforated washi tape, and then we have the headers perforated washi tape. And then down here for the 5mm add-on, we have this really light pink background with the stars. We have that cream washi again with the stars and hearts. We have this mauve color here with the rose gold vines, or that might be the chocolate gold. That looks like the chocolate gold, guys. And then we have this color block with the blue and the gold. So this is the washi in this month's box. The next item we have are stickers. Y'all know how I feel about my stickers. So it did come in this cute little sticker folder. And we did get an extra sheet. I believe Irene mentioned an issue with the manufacturer, and we lucked out. So no harm, no foul, right? So this is the sticker kit. We also get some bow seals. So this is the double sheet that we got. We've got our date covers, our date headers, some more headers here, full boxes, flags, and deco, mini deco. And then we got our 2 sets of date covers, full boxes, headers, checklists, bows, and some circle icons. And then we have our bow seals. Next we have our heart icons. So this is pretty much, you know, camera, car, TV, bow, credit card, you know, things you would use for your icons. And then we have our heart icons with foiled dates. And then we have our mini sheet with our half boxes, full box checklist, and some more mini deco. So this is the sticker kit and seals. The next item we have, pretty cool, y'all. Y'all know I love my leather goods from Simply Gilded. We have this deluxe stationery pouch. We got one of these, I want to say earlier this year, maybe February. And it was the owl kit. Can't remember the name of it. I'll put it down up here somewhere. So we've got this pocket here with the clear heart. You've got 2 pockets here, y'all. This is vegan leather. It is super soft. we have this clear pocket that snaps out with a zipper where we can store items. Perfect to put your washi in. You can see what you brought with you. And then we have this part here that also snaps out where you can store your pens, your other tools, things that you need on the go. And then here is the back. So you can actually snap this in any orientation. If you wanted this pouch back here, you could just snap it in like that. And then flip this around to snap in like that. Change it up however you like. So this is the deluxe stationery pouch. The next item up is the B6 stitch binding notebook. I never open this, guys, because I don't use them, and I often will sell them on my Mercari page. If you would like to see the things that I've destashed, go ahead and check for the link down in the description box. But this is the B6 stitched binding notebook. The next item is this month's pen. We have the engraved gel ink pen. So we have this gray, matte gray paint, super pretty, gold hardware, of course. And then we have our bow there, simply gilded on the hardware. We have our bow at the top. And this is this month's pen. The next item we have, you've already seen, is this large canvas bag. Store all of your extra goodies in. Super sturdy, as you can see. It's canvas with a bow. And if you ever wanted to replace the ribbon, you could always thread a new colored ribbon through there. So this is the large canvas bag. The next item we have is fairly cute. I like this. It's a heart-shaped bookmark. So the way I've seen Irene use this is, as you can see, there's an opening here. You could take your page that you're reading, stick this on the edge of it, and then you know where to find yourself in a book. So this is the heart-shaped bookmark. Super cute. The next item up is this vegan leather bow charm. I am really loving these cute little bow charms that have been coming with the kits. Not just with the kits, but with the other, you know, vegan leather items, because they match and they look super cute. So you could take this and attach it to your zipper. Am I going to be able to open this? Let's find out, because I am having the hardest time. So you could attach this here to your zipper. Super cute. It does match, as you can see. So that is the vegan leather bow charm. Last but not least, I am going to show the mystery item. If you are not interested in seeing it, please exit this video now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. But if you're interested in seeing the mystery item, here we go. We got a metallic jelly roll pen this month, you guys. So let's see how it writes. Oh, super cute. I'm always here for anything gold. Y'all know that. So this is the mystery item in this month's kit. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.